All right, pull it forward slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. Keep the tension steady.
The flooded rear frame provides an ideal sanctuary. The mother is fiercely protective of the juveniles hidden within the rusted steel.
We restore the impossible. Old to gold world.
The flooded rear frame provides an ideal sanctuary. The mother is fiercely protective of the juveniles hidden within the rusted steel.
Team Alpha, secure the perimeter.
Affirmative, Dr. Santos.
Expert B, prepare the restraint pole.
Ready when you are.
Keep it slow and steady, respect its power. Support the midsection carefully. We have the container ready, guide it in. Almost there, easy now.
Secure the net now.
Careful, she's moving.
Lift the container slowly.
All right, team, secure the perimeter, gently now. Troop secured, moving to the release point. Carriers open, release successful.
Diagnostics complete. Structural integrity critical. Heavy corrosion. Retrieval procedures authorized.
The wildlife is cleared. Recovery transport requested for the anaconda frame.
Okay, cables attached. Engage primary winches, 5% power. Engaging. Starting the lift sequence now.
Tension stable on all lines. Begin primary ascent. Maintain course bearing 290.
All right, pull it forward slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. Keep the tension steady.
All right, hold it steady. Watch the cables on the left. Keep it slow. Inspection complete. All secure, move the convoy.
All right, team, let's get it loaded. Proceed with caution, don't rush. Facilities are prepped, stand by. Initiate decontamination protocol. All right, slowly, slowly. Perfect. Locks are engaged. Great work, team. Let's get it cleaned up.
Proceed with the biohazard scrub. Isolate the frontal chassis immediately. Engaging primary wash cycle. Confirmed.
Nothing stops us. Old to gold world.
The transformation is complete. What a beast! Absolutely stunning. Ready for assessment, Commander.
The cleaning phase is complete. Dramatic transformation. The complete distinctive design is now revealed. Exposes the full scope of unique vehicle. Cleanliness verification successful. Component surfaces are ready for assessment. Confirmed. The restoration process can begin.
All right, let's start with the front right scale panel. Ensure the hydraulic lift is secured first. I have the schematics ready for the fangs. All right, take the tension. Easy now, slowly up.
The humidity damage is extensive here. We'll need a full differential assessment.
This gear looks beyond repair, heavy pitting.
Proceed with the careful lift. Ensure zero stress on the geometric structure. Engaging the hydraulic.
We've got severe jungle contamination in the line.
Yeah, the moisture damage is significant. This entire assembly needs replacement.
The jungle moisture really took a toll.
Total replacement is necessary.
Agreed. I've got the new waterproof harnesses here.
Assessment shows 88% component replacement due to moisture damage. The frame is salvageable with extensive restoration. Documented. Ready for the fabrication phase. Affirmative. Part 4 completion is finalized.
The geometric frame repair requires specialized steel. Verify the complex scale armor fabrications on the tablet. Damage assessment confirms significant corrosion on the frame rails, requiring sectional replacement. Specialized testing ensures we maintain the Anaconda truck's integrity. Will the jungle-claimed beast rise again? Smash subscribe for the impossible rebuild. Comment your prediction. The stress test confirmed it's solid.
Looks strong enough to handle anything.
Reinforced to exceed structural specs. The custom dimensions are precise.
Engaging the hydraulic press now.
Perfect match, the Anaconda's scales are replicated.
All right, structural restoration exceeding original specifications. The custom fabricated anaconda-head elements are ready for installation.
Lower it slowly, just a bit more to the left. Perfect. Secure it on the dolly.
These measurements confirm we can bore it out another 20 thousandths for the enhanced power output.
Legends become reality. Old to Gold World.
Engaging test sequence. Systems check, parameters nominal. Power curve rising sharply, exceeding expectations. Confirmed, restoration successful. Absolutely incredible.
Line it up slowly. Almost there. Careful. Perfect. Lower it in.
Engine installation complete. The restoration heart successfully rebuilt for enhanced monster truck performance capability.
The front right scale assembly is ready for installation. We'll need
Line it up exactly. Just a little more to the left. Careful with the weight. Steady. Looks perfect. Secure it now. All right, let's get this final piece in place. Watch your hands. Hold steady.
Integration check complete. Diagnostics confirm all systems are fully operational.
The jungle wreck is complete. Operational status verified. The capabilities here are unmatched. Powering up the tactical suite now. Check. Dramatic effect in 3, 2, 1. Outstanding. Precision inspection complete. The triple species artwork is show ready. Validated, flawless detail, ready for the reveal. From destruction to transformation, old to gold world. Subscribe now.
The Emerald Venom Titan Anaconda is revealed. Unprecedented. A true conservation tribute.
All right, team, final checks. Looks incredible. Let's bring the power online. Now presenting the Titan Anaconda Beast.
The emerald Venom paint shines under these lights, but this triple species tribute artwork represents an unprecedented achievement in conservation.
All right, crew, lowering sequence initiated.
Copy that, confirmed.
Engine on, prepare for departure.
Titan Anaconda moving out.
Brake pressure looks good, suspension solid. Copy that, moving to the engine bay. Check the chassis bracing, make sure it's tournament spec. The Titan Anaconda Beast is back, better than ever. Look at that power! Unbelievable. The Green Snake takes the lead, accelerating into the jump. Unbelievable air. It sticks the landing, perfect line is just ahead. And Green...
Look at that monster go! We are the champions! Unbelievable run.
Nothing stops us. Old to Gold World.
Did it!
This is unbelievable.